Get dressed with me for Coachella Day 2. If you are a style critique and nakukulangan ka sa damit ko kahapon, mas simple to. So if nag-expect ka, you may scroll. Theme is swag. So literal na kalmado lang to. In fact, I'm DIYing it today, right now. I have this white top I got from Vietnam. I bought this letter sticker on Amazon. So I think may idea na kayo anong gagawin natin. So ang plano ko, bubuin ko yung word na swag and ikakabit ko siya dito. Wish me luck. Kasi pag hindi gumana to, we are... Sa lapag tayo, best, parang school project ang atake. So, swag. W. Guys, oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Alam mo, nafe-feel ko na ang dami na namang bashers sa comment. Guys, you have to understand, I only have 2 days to prepare everything. Hindi ko pwedeng order lahat ng gusto ko kasi hindi siya a-arrive. And hindi rin ako makahire ng stylist kasi it's Holy Week at that time. Anyways, here's how it looks like. Just like what I imagined. At saka guys, ano ba? At the end of the day, ang importante is masaya ko. And this is my experience. So, your one little comment isn't gonna take that away from me. I'm gonna pair it with this leather shorts I got in Vietnam. The brand is Vieri. So here's how it looks like. And then I'm gonna add this belt. Because everyone in the comment was like, maglagay ka ng belt. Eto na. Wait, this is kinda cute. And for the boots, we're gonna have a fringe moment today. Guys, ang cute! Is this the Coachella you're talking about? I love my outfit! And that's what matters. Also got this fringe bag to match the vibe I'm going for. Need ko rin talaga ng bag para ilagay yung mga essentials, camera, money, lipstick. Oh my god! I'm gonna try these earrings. I also have this bangles. So ganyan ang atake niya. And this bandana. Gusto ko siyang ganyan. It's like this. I kinda like it. Well, pwede ko naman siyang alisin if hindi ko siya trip mamaya. That's all. Gotta go, guys. I feel so cute.
She's confident.